Jack Craig gained nearly 40,000 subscribers with just 5 videos. He uploaded his first video 4 months ago and has received 500k views so far. Jack Craig has lost YouTube?
What?
Or did he use YouTube's algorithm beautifully? I have watched Jack Craig for a long time and analyzed very deeply how he achieved so much success. I researched the Jack Craig's channel and got 3 points. 3 points are very important for any content creator, but point number 3 is the most important. Without it, he would not get many views on any video. Point number 1, thumbnails. Jack Craig uses thumbnails smartly where others spoil thumbnails with grabs. Jack thumbnails tried to keep a lot of clear. Another way he followed to get more clicks was to force the image to read the title. Point number 2, the title. You think the title is important, but is it possible to expect so many views? Jack Craig put his whole brain to work on the title. Currently short videos are trending, so he made all his videos short, and in the title he wrote how he experiments. Anyone who sees such a title will definitely click. This is the most important point, without which the view would not have been possible. Point number 3, video editing. Wait, I say. You got some click with your thumbnail and title. Now who will make your video go viral? You are right, video. So maintaining high audience retention requires professional video editing like Jack Craig did. By giving important information in his videos with matching titles and thumbnails, he has been able to build trust with the audience. If you got any information from this short video, then definitely subscribe, give a like and comment your opinion. Click on the video to see the analysis of any other channel. See you there. Thanks for watching.